Hi, my dear students. How are you? Welcome to the session. So, everybody was asking me, ma'am, what should be the right book that we should buy for our CAT preparation? मैम DPP sufficient है या हम कहीं और से भी प्रैक्टिस करें? मैम प्रीवियस ईयर के क्वेश्चंस कहाँ से करें? मैम ट्रेंड्स कैसे समझें? मैम कोई ऐसी बुक है जिसमें सारी स्ट्रैटेजीज एक साथ हो? And that is where we are coming up with an amazing book for you to solidify your CAT preparation. You heard it right, and that's the big reveal. This is your solution to all the problems कि भाई कौन सी बुक, कौन से सब्जेक्ट की कौन सी बुक. देयर इज दिस वन बुक एंड विच विल बी comprehensively covering the entire preparation strategies. It would be covering previous year questions, plus it has mock tests, right? So this is the big reveal. Physics wala has got this amazing book for you to strengthen your CAT preparation, right? हम हमेशा से अपने स्टूडेंट्स की प्रॉब्लम को हल करने की कोशिश करते रहे. We have been looking for a solution, and this book is an outcome of rigorous effort done by amazing team of SMEs who are experts in their fields. They have done a lot of research, shown a lot of grit, lot of temperament, and the book is amazing, my dear students. तो ये बुक इतनी अमेजिंग है क्यों, क्या क्या है इस बुक में? लेट्स गिव यू एन आइडिया, राइट? सो पहला जो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है, इसलिए सेंटर में रख दिया, माइंड मैप. सो दीज आर स्ट्रैटेजीज, subject wise strategies, topic wise strategies to help you get better with any topic. Say for example reading comprehension. अब मैं इंग्लिश पढ़ाती हूँ तो मैं रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन की बात करूँगी. So all the important pointers you need to keep in mind to ace the reading comprehension questions, to ace the parajumble questions, to ace the odd one out questions, right? It has all, and similarly it has strategies pertaining to quant section. It has strategies pertaining to logical reasoning section and also to DI section. So these are amazing strategies, amazing visually they are so appealing, they are so impressive, so effective that once you take a look at those mind maps, you will be just absolutely blown away. You will have all the short tricks, all the strategies, all the traps, how you have to be careful. Everything will be sorted. So this is the best part which I've personally liked about the book, so that you can sail through the topics easily, you can manage the tough sections, you can have the strategic wisdom how to deal with certain question types, right? Then there is this amazing feature that it has got all the latest content. So in this book you will be having all the questions that have been tested in CAT, the last CAT which happened in November 2023, so that you understand that how the trend is emerging, how the questions are appearing, what should be done right. You should be familiar with the type of questions that have been asked, with the difficulty level. So it has all the latest content covered in it nicely, logically, and with solutions. Then there is a very insightful trend analysis done of the questions that have been tested in the last 7 years, right? आपको पता होगा, मैं तो बहुत emphasize करती हूँ कि previous year के questions करो, right? अगर आप मेरी क्लासेस में पाइनियर या एलीट के स्टूडेंट हैं तो आपने आई एम श्योर देखा होगा कि अक्सर in my classes there are previous year questions that has got a certain aim, that has got an agenda. Why? Because when you do previous year questions, आपको पता चल जाता है कि what will be the temperament of the paper, what sort of difficulty level you can expect, right? तो ये आपको trend पता करना ज़रूरी है. You need to understand the fabric of the exam, right? You need to understand how the game is played. विदाउट पुटिंग अ प्रॉपर थॉट अगर आप डायरेक्शनलेस प्रेपरेशन करते हो तो यू डू नॉट गेट द रिजल्ट दैट यू आर एमिंग और एक्सपेक्टिंग, राइट? सो दिस हैज इंसाइटफुल ट्रेंड एनालिसिस डन वेरी नाइसली in depth, so that you get a very solid understanding of how cat tricks you, and then you can tame the cat, right? Then there is this amazing feature where they have done chapter wise and topic wise segregation. तो ऐसा है कि जो क्वेश्चंस पैराजंबल में प्रीवियसली आए वो पैराजंबल के सेक्शन में मिलेंगे, राइट? अब मुझे पूरे सेक्शन पे फोकस एक साथ नहीं करना, मुझे इन बिट्स एंड पीसेस मूव करना है. से सपोज मुझे एल्जेब्रा के क्वेश्चंस को प्रैक्टिस करना है, सो एल्जेब्रा क्वेश्चंस हैव बीन कंसोलिडेटेड एट वन प्लेस. सिमिलरली अगर मुझे डीआई में केसलेट्स को सॉल्व करना है, सो केसलेट्स हैव बीन पुट एट वन प्लेस. So this is an amazing job done, that they have done the segregation chapter wise and topic wise, so there will be lot of ease in learning, right? And then yes, mock papers. So you have 5 latest mock papers that you will get, that will give you actually the taste of the exam, right? उसी difficulty level, CAT के difficulty level को align करते हुए, trend को समझते हुए, आपको 5 बहुत amazing papers दिए गए हैं इस book में, so that you can solve and then you can be ready, right? So this is holistically what the book covers, and there are a lot of amazing features, and the book is just a click away. So the link of the this link where you can buy the book will be there in the description. तो आप उस link को click करोगे, so you'll reach here, and this is how the page will look like. So this book is yours. Now we have it for our students ready with lot of hard work, with lot of commitment. We have designed this amazing book, and it's time to, you know, invest in this book. It should be super helpful, right? It has all important pointers covered which will definitely help you to prepare better for CAT. और ये एक book will work for all the subjects, right? So this is one stop solution. I'm sure you're going to be benefited amazingly, right? So check the link in the description and buy the book now. Take care, keep working hard, all the best.